Right now, Facebook is paying people up to $30,000 in bonus money a month just for posting. Doing what you already do. Some people share quotes every day. Some people share memes. You got a bunch of people that laugh and all that good type of stuff, and they are paying a bread. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys multiple ways on how you can actually monetize Facebook, how you can get paid, and actually show you the numbers and what you need to do to get in. So first, we need to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button because that help out the YouTube algorithm. That help out a lot of people. That's probably how you end up finding it. So make sure you guys hit that and help everybody out. So you gotta first thing first, turn your page into a professional page. Turn it to professional mode. You have to switch it over. They're not gonna pay you if you're on regular mode. You gotta go to professional mode and switch that page on up. So, or you gotta create a new page. So I have multiple pages, but here go one, Lando Success. If we go to my business suite, now you have multiple ways to get paid, but first you need to know how to get monetized. You can just Google it and they're going to say, hey, just follow our rules. And once you click monetization right here, they're going to tell you what you need. It's not going to show for me since I am newly monetized. So if you see your page eligibility, they're going to show all the ways you can make money. You can make money with subscriptions. People can pay you every month. You can make money with in-ad streams. This is the main way you will make money, and the way you're going to like it the most is like YouTube. We're going to pay your page X amount of money per 1,000 views or however many views you get, and Facebook is going to take their cut. And since I'm actively in these that already show, but one like in-stream live ads, it don't show, then it's not showing the criteria right now, but usually it show you the criteria of exactly what you need to do to fully get in there. Let's first start with in-stream ads. I've been monetized, for a week, 2 weeks? Let's see. I got monetized on the 16th. And what you see right here is your CPM. That's how much they're going to pay advertisers. This is how much they are paying me. And this is the calculation of, they're trying to basically, we're just going to say 1,000 views, but it's with ads. I will try to not get too nerdy and break it down, right? So if we go to my content, right? Why did I do that? And right next to my content, you are going to see certain stuff that is green and is going to show the money sign. That's analytics. Let's go to content right here instead of insight. So when you see the green money sign like that, that means you are getting paid, and you can get paid depending on how many views and stuff it end up getting. So if we go to, let's see, I just talked about no allows yesterday. And if you scroll, stop showing that, dude. Like, come on, stop that. And you see when you break it down, you see it say 3-second views. This really mean how many views you have. So 3-second views mean people clicked that video. 339 clicked it. 1 minute views. You want your video to be over 1 minute, very, long as you can. But this is really where you get paid at. It's 1 minute views. I got 58 1 minute views, and they're like, out of that 58 views, and it's your impression, this is how many people seen it, but they didn't click it. But out of that 58 people that end up clicking it, 21 of them got an ad impression. And when they calculate my CPM for this video that I did, and they like, all right, we're paying you 26 cents. That's completely how it works. So you really wanting a video to like go viral or something. And let's see, the video that I made, $60 in a day the other day. It was a Stephen A. Smith. Let's see if I can find it. Let's type in Smith. Stephen A. Smith video. I will say it's probably at 30,000 views. And you have some that will literally pause monetization because they're like, oh, you kind of got copyright strike in there, copyright stuff in there, which I don't. And you got to wait 30 days. So I'm just learning their weird stuff. And so we look at insights on this one. And You see this one have 37,000 3-second views. So this got close to 40,000 views. And when it come down to the money, and it's dope because you want your stuff to get recommended by Facebook. This is 99% of this video is recommended by them. So if you're doing good content, it will show it. And look right here. You see it say CPM, $12, ad impressions, 10,000 ad impressions, and that paid me $76 off of recording one video. And they showing you where is your audience. Majority of them came from Texas, Florida, California. You want it to be in the United States. Once you get out of the different countries, you're not going to make as much money. So that's one way you want to get paid, and that's the main way you want to get paid. The second way is bonuses right now. So they sent the invite. They like, look, we giving away bonus money. Come get some of this bonus money. And they are offering up to $30,000. Now, it's hard to make that $30,000. And since they're new doing it, I think they don't even know what the hell they're doing right now. And you see, I got 24 more days. I'm at $36. They don't let you see it on the web, on desktop, but on your phone, you can see it. So on my phone, this is how it looked. They like, okay, that same Stephen A. Smith video, that paid me $88. And it's bonus money, so this different money. Debate with women and men, $3. Debate, $3. Picture of my wife, my wife, baby, you worth $3.76, baby. Picture of my kid, $3. You know, so they are literally paying you to post. Now, the more you post and bigger your platform get, it's going to be easier. So if you're like somebody with 1 million subscribers, you'll probably be able to hit that 30,000 if you have an engagement fan base, and you have to be like nonstop posting a lot of different content. So those are the main things. You want to be able to get the ad money, and you want to get these bonuses. How do you get invited in the bonus? I really have no idea. At my page right now is probably at 11,000 subscribers, followers, whatever you want to call it. I seen people say they had 300 subscribers or followers and literally got invited. Somebody 2,000. So you want to build your platform as much as possible, because I know to get the ads, it used to be 10. You need 10,000 followers. Now they lowered it down to 5,000. So you want to be posting engaging stuff. If you're already a person that know how to do it, you just have to be creative, because we're on Facebook anyway. You might as well take advantage of it and get paid at this point. That's what I'm doing. I hope this video was able to help you out. And if it was able to help you out, y'all know all I ask in return is to hit that like button, subscribe button. I will talk to you guys soon. Get any questions, leave them in the comments.